Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually buy and review and do tutorials of affordable, inexpensive makeup from dollar store, drugstore, Walmart. You name it, I'll test it on my face and I'll pass the savings to you guys. So this is one of my monthly Boxyxharm unboxing videos. I'm gonna go through all the products from Boxyxharm July box. Yes, it's still July box. And we're going to be talking about the cost of each item and how it performs, and I'll show you little clips of the performance of that item. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time. So subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on social media. All the links are in the description box, Instagram, Twitter, down here. So let's get right into this. So as you might know, if you watch my channel, I've been doing unboxings of Boxyxharm. I started with Ipsy bags, and I used to get the ones, the tiny ones, and they were like, hit and miss, so I wasn't really into them. So I switched to Boxyxharm, and I never looked back. I think Boxyxharm is superior, but I haven't tried the big Ipsy bag. So you guys know, if you guys tried both, like the large Ipsy bag, I don't know what it's called, then leave me a comment, let me know what you like better, Ipsy or Boxyxharm. So here's my box. Thumbnail. No, I'm not gonna give you a Peter Mon thumbnail with upside down Boxyxharm. No, I'm gonna go like this. Something fell. Never mind. It's a fail already. Anyway. Okay, so let's start with the total value. The total value of this Boxyxharm box is $141, $141.95. I love 95 cents. Doesn't give you a little extra value. Like, where did the last 5 cents go? Like, why is it not 142? It's 95 cents. Anyway, enough with the rants. So actually, in this month, they behaved because they included this beautiful card, which is supposed to come in every box, but I haven't been receiving this consistently. That's why I calculated the cost so easy. I mean, the value. Usually it's really difficult. So this looks very cute. That's for the month of July. So this describes every product. So I'm going to show you in a different format this time. I'm going to show you a split screen, or like maybe video and video of me applying, because the products that I received, they don't require a lot of long application. So let's go one by one. So first I've got the one I actually like the most, I think. This is a Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. So the box looks like this. It says Clean Skin Club. And here's the name. How to use it. As a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning or evening. As a serum, apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. I love the bottle actually. There's something about the ombre, this kind of like color, and the blue. This shade of blue is like, I love this. It kind of corresponds with the box. I just love this, like it really speaks to me. So it looks like this. I mean, it's just a regular serum, clear serum. I don't think it has a scent. Yeah, it does actually. It has like a pleasant scent. I've been actually applying it every morning for like the last 3 days, and I applied it morning and night. It's very pleasant. I mean, I have not been applying it long enough to tell you what it is and if it really works or does anything, but I mean, it's pretty expensive, so I'm gonna tell you now. The powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion of glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So it retails for $49.95. That's where 95 cents come from. 95 cents, seriously. It's $50. Come on, people. So yeah, I like receiving skincare. So far, every skincare item I received from Boxyxharm, I really loved and enjoyed. So I'm gonna really enjoy using this up. So the next item is Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. So this one I'm gonna show the application. So get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for dramatic evening glow. So I did not apply a few layers. As you can see in the clip, I'm gonna show somewhere here. I applied only like one layer and I kind of smudged it with a brush, and it seems like, let me see, it has not cracked, I think. Yeah, I looked in the mirror, sorry. It has not cracked. So it is really pretty color, so I'm gonna show you now. I mean, you'll see in the video, but there it is. It's kind of like a typical Stila dupe-ish. So this one retails actually for $25. So I mean, it's about the same price as the Stila one. So it's a typical glitter eyeshadow. It's really pretty, nice texture. Looks like this in the hand. Yeah, it's nice. It's really pretty. It's beautiful. I can see myself using this very often in a lot of looks because it's not like a bright pink. It's almost like a peachy, you know, so it's really, really easy to blend with a lot of colors. It's actually called pink, but I mean, I wouldn't call it pink. I would call it like a light cream peach or something, but I mean, it's just semantics. So next one is Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. Bronze in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection, which I don't know nothing about. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide natural sun-kissed look. It can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. Okay, so it's $30. That's a value. I mean, retail value. So Ace Beauty, it looks very pretty. I like Ace Beauty packaging. It always looks pretty. I like kind of nice tones here. Has a mirror and it has all these 4 colors. So these, they can be used. I mean, you'll see me applying over here. So I started with this one, and it seemed like it was a little light, and I ended up kind of blending this and this together, and I used a little bit this on my forehead too. I usually don't like palettes, because when I have palettes, like, you can't use most of the colors usually, but I think I can use all 3, because this is like very light for my skin tone, but I can still use it. That's the lightest one. It still kind of looks dark, right? But you can use it like around the forehead, so it's not like crazy. And the second one, you can use it on the cheeks. It's like not a huge difference, so that's the second one. And the third one I added for depth too. So that's the third one. So I can use like, here's the third one. And the fourth one is real dark. I don't think I can use that. But it's really pretty color too. For the deep skin tones, it would be great. So I think it's a good palette. It doesn't have much of a scent. I mean, it's not like a scented, but for $30 you get 4 bronzers. So I think, although I like cheap makeup, I don't think it's a bad price for 4 of them. I mean, I would rather have single bronzer because I do like the texture. It's really nice, smooth. It's creamy, as you can see me applying over there. I don't know when I'm gonna apply that, but somewhere here. It was very easy to apply, and it's very soft, so it doesn't get patchy. It goes on really smoothly, so I can see myself using this easily, like 3 of them. So I think it's a good buy. Would I repurchase it? Probably not, but only because I have so much SHIT in my collection. I mean, I don't need to repurchase bronzers because this is gonna last me forever, let's be honest. So now we got Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. I'm wearing it now. And Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2nd year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit wink. That's so cheesy. By wearing their birthday suit wink. Alright. Universally gorgeous pink diamond dip gloss. That's retail value is $15. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it almost has like little glitter particles, but I don't see any glitter like on my lips. I mean, it's just very shiny. So this is what it looks like on the brush. I mean, it's a lip gloss. It smells amazing. It smells like a cake mix or something. I don't eat cake, but I imagine that's what it should smell like. It's like very vanilla. I know some people don't like vanilla. I think Teresa doesn't like vanilla. But I love this. It's very shiny. It doesn't really like stretch, you know, like some glosses can be like dewy. It's nice. I think it's a very good lip gloss. I mean, for $15 though, I can get a Revolution Beauty glitter, not glitter balm. What is it? Some kind of balm, lip balm, pout balm. You know which one I'm talking about, the plumping one. That one is amazing. It smells amazing as well, and that one is only $5. So I enjoy this. You know, I appreciate this having in my box, but would I recommend buying this for $15? I would go for Revolution because I mean it's the same thing. I mean, I'm just being honest here. So next one is a Cram Shop Next Generation Blender Set. And this is a duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics into all areas of the face, including, listen to that, including hard to reach places. Really? A traditional brush or sponge cannot get to. Easy to apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. Its retail value is $22 for two. I mean, I guess it's not bad for two, but I get my Juno sponge for $5. Or what, $6? Anyway. So I'm going to show you what they look like, you know, because I already washed them after the application. So you'll see me apply the foundation and the concealer. So that's what the box looks like. Cram Shop. Travel friendly sponge. I don't know, why is it travel friendly, huh? Because they're huge when they expand. Look. That's where they're sitting. So they expand quite a bit. They're very soft. I can't like say anything bad about it. They're very, very soft. They still smell like soap. I wonder if I rinsed all the soap powder. Okay, anyway. So they expand, they're very soft, they blend real well. As you can see in the video, it was easy to apply. They do suck the foundation a lot. I mean, not like the worst, but not the best. Like compared to some cheap soft sponges, like you can get the cheap ones, they really absorb. This one is not like that, but it does absorb. I mean, the application is excellent. It's very smoothing, but I would say Juno does not absorb as much, and it applies still nicely. So some people hate Juno. So if you like soft sponges and that expand a lot, this is for you. And the price is, I guess it's a fair price for the brand. But the problem I have with this, the claim that it can get to any place the traditional brush, a sponge, cannot get to. I mean, this is the edge. There's nowhere near it can get into my dark deep hole. I call this place a dark deep hole, if you're not aware. If you've seen my Sunday lives, you know I call this a dark deep hole. Anyway, I have deep set eyes and I have a lot of darkness here, like a deep circle, so I like to put a lot of concealer there, and it's a real hard place to reach. So I tried this one, as you can see in the video. And this sharp edge, I mean, it does get there, but not quite. It doesn't quite make it. To me, I need to use a small, tiny sponge, like I had a set with Hank and Henry, and that was a perfect example of what it should be like. It came in a Boxyxharm too, the Hank and Henry set, and that small little tiny sponge, it's perfect. It has a very sharp edge. You can get right into the corner in there, so for that reason I wouldn't say it's like the best, but if you like soft sponge, there you go, you have it. So that's all of the items. As you can see from those little video clips, I enjoyed. I mean, this is a good box, let's be honest. As much as I was shading some things, This is a really good box. Like, I can't even say that I cannot use any of these things or some of these things. I really enjoy the bronzer, probably my favorite, and the skincare. Always love skincare from Boxyxharm. And the glitter eyeshadow is probably my third best item. The lip gloss is like, I mean, lip gloss. And the sponges, I don't know if I'm gonna use them again. I might, you know, for a change if I wanted something different, but I do like the sponges that's not as absorbing. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing my eyes, I'm wearing a Mitchell palette that's unfortunately been discontinued. But if you like colors in Mitchell palette, the shades, and if you want something like with the rainbow colors, get XX Revolution Extravaganza. Extravaganza palette has better shimmers and has more variety of colors, so I would say it's a great substitute, and it's available and still inexpensive. So I still use it once in a while, but I'm not going to do tutorials with it in the videos because it's been discontinued. So before I go, I decided to do this at the end of this video instead of the beginning. So let's do the Russian word of the day. What should we do? Should we do like a stupid word, kind of like not very interesting, but has something to do with this video, right? You're probably gonna be laughing like, how am I gonna use this word ever? Box, like unboxing, box. So the word box. I'm just laughing because I picked a word that has like nothing to do with beauty, but it's a box. All right, it's a box, people. So it's very simple. I always say it's very simple. So I'll put the Russian Cyrillic alphabet up here and the pronunciation below and phonetic. So it's in Russian is коробка, коробка. So again, the Russian R's are hard, so you have to roll them. Коробка with a B, but B is like not under stress, so it kind of almost sounds like a P. I mean, it's a long explanation for a short word. Коробка. There you have it. Use it in the sentence below regarding unboxing коробка. So that's it, guys. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you got in your Boxyxharm box this month if you subscribe to it. And let me know what your favorite subscription box is. Like if you subscribe to anything else, because there's so many of them. Like especially here in the US, we have Ipsy, we have other stores. I mean, I can't come up with the names now, but I mean, I usually know them. Brain farts. Anyway, so let me know which one is your favorite, what you got, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and I do live stream on Sundays at 12 at noon Pacific time, which is 8 PM in Europe and UK. So if you guys want to have fun and laugh at each other and laugh at me and watch me do some tutorial or makeup recreation or just sabotage from my friends, then come over and socialize with us on Sundays. So I'll leave you at that, and please like this video, it'll help me, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, the links in the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.